Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh no. Welcome to the autopsy of Jane Doe. Open door. The door's locked. I'll try the side of the house. Of course it is. Of course. Why wouldn't it be? Why would it not be the basement? I can't move forward. Oh.
Hey, it's Austin. I'm really sorry about calling you in this late, but I didn't know what else to do, with my father being sick and having to be at the hospital all day.
Am I meant to be in there? I don't like this. The office. I'm looking for a key. Oh. Got the key. What the fuck was that?
Oh, don't worry about those bells. They're there to make sure the ones who are down, stay down. We wouldn't want a dead man walking now, would we?
Wrong. Oh, there she is.
Sweet. Go grab the stretcher to transport her body to the autopsy room. Once you're there, I'll wait further instructions.
Where's the autopsy room? Or is it this? No.
Life could be a dream. Life could be.
I'm lost. I don't know what to do. It could be over here. Could be here. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Here's the stretcher. And it's going.
Have a great time.
Why are you running?
Can you
Why are you running?
Right.
Sweet. Go ahead and transport her over
She's
to
not
the
naked, is
autopsy
she?
room
No.
so First thing you'll do is inspect her eyes. See if there's any damage or could possibly help identify when she had died.
Yeah.
Alright, you finished all you needed to on the outside of her body. Go ahead
Great.
and grab the scalpel and cut her open to begin the surgical steps.
Oh wow.
My god, her lungs are almost charred. Almost as if she was burning from the inside out.
Or she was smoking. I don't know what do we do with these? Oh god.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom.
I'm not sure what to make of all this. You need to get the hell out of here.
Why?
I'm not so sure if we should finish it off, but I know one thing is for sure. You're never leaving.
Oh. No.
I don't want to set
Why am
the
I in the sky?
world on fire. I just want to start
Salad.
a flame in your heart.
Am I upside down?
In my heart I have but one desire.
Oh no.
And that one is you. No other will do.
Oh no. Oh no. Do we go in the elevator? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. This took a very sudden turn. Oh my god. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Hi. Oh my. Or is it like 1811 or something? 1118. Oh. Oh my god.
The breaker must have tripped. I'm gonna have to send one of you to go flip it back on. Bring a flashlight. You'll need it.
Where's it? Oh god. I'm smart. Shit. Where's the breaker? Alright. Boom. Oh my Jesus, hello. Hi. And you throw me to the floor.
Sweet. The power's back on now. Try inputting that code one more time.
1118.
Holy shit, you did it.
I
Grab the
know.
key and head to the cellar door. It's time to leave this damned place.
Let's go. Oh no.
Is someone there? I heard some commotion and noticed the lights going on and off and thought I'd see if you needed help. The door's locked out here. Try and open it up. Come on, open it up.
Wait.
Open it up. Open up. Open up. Just open up your heart and let the sun.
Hello. And you could. We got pushed off the balcony.